everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tay and I'm such a lover of beauty and makeup. I love to create lifestyle content. So why don't you stick around, hit that subscribe button and become a part of my YouTube family. A short while ago, I asked you guys on my Instagram what kind of videos you would like to see on my YouTube. And you told me that you wanted to see what was inside my everyday handbag. So here I am today with this video showing you what's inside my everyday bag. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So this is what my everyday makeup bag looks like. I bought this from Luxvolution, which is a private online business. I will write their name down below. They have an online website. They sell lots of clothing and accessories for women. And this is where I got that from. It's so beautiful and sleek. It looks like snake skin and it has this grey titanium silver coloured chain. It's so nice and it fits so much in here, even though it may look really small. So let's open it and see what's inside. So it comes with two buttons and there is a zip. I normally don't close that zip, to be honest. So here we are. I have some tissues, hand sanitizer, some eye drops. Eye drops are very important, especially in the winter, and because nowadays we sit on our phones and computers and laptops a lot, it does dry your eyes out. So just getting some moisturizing eye drops, it can help ease our eyes when they are getting irritated and dry. I obviously have a spare face mask. We need those nowadays. This is a little card wallet that I got from Primark some time ago. It's like a multicolored, beautiful wallet. I keep my bank card, credit card and my driving license in here. I keep a lip oil. This is always a must in your purse, a lip oil or a lip balm. This is something I've just started using recently. There is a video coming up regarding this as well. It's really nice. I have a Gucci Bloom. This is one of my favorite perfumes. It smells so feminine, so beautiful. And I always use this just to top up my perfume when I'm out. And it has lasted me a little while and there's still some in there actually. I have a mirror. It's got like little glitter things in here and little love hearts and stars. It's so beautiful. What it is it's got two mirrors inside. So one's just a normal mirror and then one is like a zoom in mirror. I don't know how you say it. Magnifying mirror, is that what you call it? Yeah, that's what it is. But yeah, it's so beautiful. It's like a baby pink on the back. I always keep wipes. I use wipes quite a lot and I go through them, especially when I'm out. I like to clean my hands all the time, and this is just a fresh pack that I've put inside my bag. This is a little coin purse. I actually bought this from Chinatown in London quite a long time ago actually, and I just keep any loose change or coins in here. I keep plasters in here. I am always scratching my hands when I'm out and I'm using plasters quite often, so I always need these. I keep a spare hair tie. Two hair clips. I always need hair clips. And I keep a pair of tweezers. These ones are from Kiko. Ladies, All my ladies out there, you know when you see this, you know what exactly I'm talking about, especially when you're sitting in that driver's seat and you take down your mirror, adjusting your seat, and you look at your mirror in front of you. That mirror does not lie to you. That mirror tells you everything. And this is where it comes handy. And this is everything that was inside my bag. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what items you guys keep in your bags. Leave me a comment down below. Anything that you think is definitely essential for women, obviously apart from your phone and your keys, because when you go out you always throw that in there. Apart from that, is there anything else that you like to keep that is really helpful and you think that I should keep in my bag too? Do let me know. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!